This is the wave period interactive calculator, which solves for various wave properties including period, frequency, wavelength, and wave speed. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate period from frequency, calculate period from wavelength and wave speed, calculate frequency from period, calculate wavelength from period and wave speed, calculate wave speed from period and wavelength, and calculate angular frequency from period. For this demonstration, I'll use calculate period from frequency. The input fields vary based on your selection. When calculating period from frequency, you enter the frequency in hertz. Other modes require inputs like wavelength in meters, wave speed in meters per second, or period in seconds. Let's work through an example. With the mode set to calculate period from frequency, I'll enter 10 Hz in the frequency field. After clicking Calculate, the results show period 1000 E1s, which is 0.1 seconds. It also provides frequency 1000 E plus 1 Hz, confirming our input of 10 Hz. The angular frequency, 6.2832 E plus 1 Reds, tells us this wave oscillates at approximately 62.83 radians per second. Finally, the wave classification identifies this as infrasound or subsonic waves below human hearing. This calculator streamlines wave calculations for acoustic and mechanical engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.